We've got 5 easy watermelon crafts to show you today. We've got these super cute Fimo watermelon earrings, this air dry clay trinket dish, a hammer bead greetings card, a pen pot holder, and this piece of watermelon art. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give Hobbycraft a like and a follow. And you can click on the bell icon so you never miss out on new content. Here's how to make the projects. For these 5 makes, you will need a picture frame, some thick white card, pink, white and green tissue paper, air dry clay, a tin can, hammer beads, PVA glue, watermelon coloured paints, a blank card, Mod Podge, a hammer pegboard, flat earring studs, a rolling pin, red, white and green Fimo, a couple of Sharpies, strong glue and some sandpaper. Starting with the trinket dish, roll out some air dry clay to a thickness of about 5mm. Smooth out the clay with some water, then cut into shape. Cut through the clay gradually to not distort the shape. Cut the top side with a curved edge. Smooth the sides with water. Place into a bowl lined with cling film and leave to dry overnight. Smooth the edges of the clay if you need to with some sandpaper. Mark out 2 lines along the top of the clay with pencil. Paint the top line dark green and the second one light green. Paint the rest of the dish red, then repeat for the back and edges. Mark on a little happy face in pencil, then in Sharpie. Finally, add some Mod Podge for some juicy shine. To make the art print, we've watered down some acrylic paint so that it's really thin and runny like watercolour. Starting with the dark green, paint the card in smooth lines across the top. Move to the light green and repeat. Then fill in the rest of the card with pink in the same way. Leave to dry. Mark out the centre in pencil and lightly add some text, then go over in black pen. Add some black pips, then pop into a frame to finish. For the pen pot, take a clean, dry tin and paint the outside white. We have mixed half paint and half PVA to allow it to stick to the tin. Cut up small squares of tissue paper and stick them onto the pot. Start with green at the top, then add a layer of white, then fill up the rest with pink. Add another coat of PVA for extra gloss and strength. Then if you like, you can add black hammer beads onto the pink section for pips, or draw them on. For the card, start by adding pink hammer beads to the board in a small triangle. Then add a row of white, followed by some green. Cover the beads with parchment paper and iron to fuse together. Glue the watermelon into the centre of a white card. If you like, you can add a watermelon-inspired message to the top, like this one, pip pip hooray. Finally, for the little earrings, cut pieces of red, white and green Fimo. Roll out the green and red so that they're about 3mm thick. Cut the sides to give them both a flat edge, then press them together. Roll to join. Roll a really thin slither of white clay and place it onto the join of the red and the green Fimo. Roll again so that it all blends together. Cut off most of the green clay, then cut into 2 small triangles. Bake for 30 minutes on a low heat. Add little dots with Sharpie for pips, then glue onto the earring blanks to finish. There we go, how to make 5 really simple and really cute watermelon projects. If you head over to the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, there are loads of other ideas for things that you can make over the summer. Thank you so much for watching.